Oh, yeah.
Stop laughing and eat up.
Hey, no cheating. You got finished. It's on your plate, I eat it.
New six, broke rent. I put the rest in the mattress. Niggas fake, let them have it.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy JETT back out here with another video. I'm starting this video late today because like I was supposed to go to JB house because we were supposed to film this chicken nugget video, but my dumb ass forgot my memory card inside the house, so I had to drive all the way over here just to get my memory card right now. But anyways, we're about to go right now. We got Fat Boy in the car. He's like completely knocked out right now, like sleeping. Fat Boy, wake up. Yo, he's completely out, yo. That boy is out, bro. So yeah, guys, I'm about to go make another 30 minutes drive just to go to JB house so we can film this chicken nugget video. But yeah, stay tuned right now. Smash the like button and yeah, let's get it. Fat Boy still knocked out, yo. He's never gonna wake up, but hey, we out. Yo, say what's good?
What's good?
I was best supposed to be here. You know what happened though?
What?
Like my dumb ass forgot my memory card inside the house, right? And on top of that, we missed an exit. Like it was crazy, so we had to. Yo, shut up, shut your ass up.
You can't even park right.
Shut up, bro. Well, yo, we gotta go get the nuggets and stuff.
Why?
Here's the plan, guys. We're about to go get the nuggets right now. We're about to buy like at least like 1,000 nuggets and come back to his house. He's still sleeping, yo. Fat Boy is still out. He was knocked out, yo. Fat Boy just woke up from a nap. He over here angry and stuff. He got that nap move, yo. Why you so angry, bro?
Man, just drive.
Yo,
Fat Boy's
that nigga
grumpy.
angry. Anyways,
Fat Boy's grumpy.
Hell yeah, he angry as hell right now. I be feeling just like that too when I wake up from a nap, but that's how it is, right? Every time you take a nap, you always gonna wake up and like angry as fuck. That's just how it works. You feel me? My freaking phone is done, guys. These guys are.
You ain't got no phone.
God, just look at my phone, yo, and it's still working. What?
Merry Christmas.
Stop playing with me, bro. Look at my phone, yo. My phone is completely done. Like, look at this, yo. If any of you guys got a new phone, please send it to me, bro. I really need a phone badly, yo.
What's good, my guys? I haven't been in this for like 2 days. I didn't come in this vlog. They love me. They love me now. Nah, they love me now. I don't know what you're talking about.
Ain't nobody missed him, yo.
It's my camera.
For 2 days, but
fuck out of here. Oh, what challenge are we doing?
We're about to get the nuggets right now and stuff. We're about to get like 500 or like probably like, I don't know, 1,000 maybe.
So how much is it gonna be each?
So yeah, so we're about to go smash right now. Fat Boy in the car because he don't want to come out here. I don't know why, but
I bet.
can you get, how much can you get for like 500 nuggets? How much is that? She thinks I'm joking. I'm not joking. We really. She couldn't believe we getting 500 nuggets right now. She think like we joking. She like, are you joking? But nah, we not joking. Like we dead ass. Why is Fat Boy calling us?
What? What?
I don't understand how my phone is still working, yo. It's completely done. She went and called a manager. They thought we didn't have money. We came out here broke as hell. We was not about to get 500 nuggets, but we still got it. You feel me?
Hold on.
Fat Boy finally came out. You got the puppy haircut. Look. Oh. Yo, you should get a ponytail, boy. Get a ponytail. Just get it. Yo, you look mad different. You like a little ass chihuahua. You got baby chihuahua Bean out here. We just got to JB house right now, so yeah, we're about to go inside right now and get it popping, yo. Look at all these nuggets, yo. Show them, bro. We got a whole bag. Big Bean out here. So what's good? Where you been at, boy? You been hiding, huh? He only come out when it's food, huh? We only see Bean when it's food and stuff. We never see him in the videos. Hey, you not eating, bro. You was not eating, bro. Who you on the phone with? You on the phone with the plug? Hey, what's up?
I'm allergic
what you
to
talking?
bananas.
But yeah, we're about to get it popping right now. We got all these nuggets over here. Like, look at all this, y'all. Look at the dog, bro. He's trying to eat the nuggets right now. Like, look, he fiending. My boy fiending. Hey. Relax. Yo, he trying to be in it? You trying to be in it, my boy? Okay.
You want a treat, my guy?
That feed him cereal? That dog just like, yo.
Yeah, you.
I ain't gonna lie, we used to do that to Layla, bro. I swear to God. Layla used to eat anything with it.
You want it?
You was eating Twizzlers? She was eating Twizzlers.
Yo, he over here teaching him Spanish, yo.
Boy, did you see that?
So, wait. Wow. Wait, he don't speak English? He just got whacked. Hey, stop playing, bro. No food fight in here. Hey, chill. These niggas got the fake Gucci out.
I'm not even Gucci. Look.
That shit only got 2 straps, yo. That's how you know it's fake.
What?
What's that? True religion?
It's real true religion.
Nah, I don't even. Already you got this fake Gucci. I don't even trust this already.
Stop playing with
Like True Religion is played out, but it's whack.
They don't got the Buddha man on there. They got the Michelin man, the Italian man on there.
That's what you look like.
But yo, let's get popping with this nuggets right now. We're about to set it up right now, guys. It's about to be lit. Yo, smash the like.
Who be having their hat like this?
Smash the light, bro.
Popeye.
B. This restaurant you go to, you start, but he have his hat like
Ready?
this all the
Call me.
time.
The black Popeye.
Yo, there.
The ghetto Popeye.
Alright guys, look, everything set up right now. We got all the nuggets out here, about like 500 nuggets. Hey, you already know we're about to get lit right now. Yo, y'all ready, yo? Yo, so the rules is no water, yo. You gotta keep eating, no water. Nobody drinks water until we done. That's the rule. I don't know. It's probably stupid,
Yo.
but hey, that's how we doing it.
Why
What?
the fat boy look like a burnt meatball?
Yo, man, start the.
You look like a burnt nugget.
You look like a burnt potato, fucking.
Alright, anyways, we're about to start right now. Hold up.
Full of ranch, bitch.
Hold up. Y'all ready? Hold up, wait.
The rings?
Yeah. Alright guys, we're about to start right now. So yeah,
Look what I'm
on
gonna do.
three we go, alright?
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Let's get it.
One at a time, too.
Fuck! Yo! I already messed up.
No water, y'all. Yo, turn it off. Turn it off.
That new Takashi 6ix9ine, baby. Double dip.
That's really hard. There's no water, y'all.
Like I said, we each should have got one bottle.
Yo, the perfect way to win this if you have the dog under the table, you just pass him nuggets.
You go.
Oh,
Yo, he's really down there too. I was just thinking about that.
that's
Answer
Kino.
the phone yet.
Why is this going now?
I'm phone nigga.
¿Qué pasó?
What's up, you burnt nugget? I'm full.
There's no water, bro. I'm really thirsty right now.
Yo, why you taking my nuggets?
Yo, it's the same thing. Y'all been fighting with niggas.
I need some water, bro.
I said I need some water.
The nuggets backing up, man. This tunnel full.
That's why y'all know how to eat
It's
it.
a traffic jam now.
That booty has brain
I feel like
sauce.
911 gonna have to be called for this video, but I think something's gonna go wrong. I already know I'm gonna win. Yo, you got hell of nuggets, bro.
Look. You guys gonna win, right?
You eating 2 at a time?
Yo, Jet, look. Oh, you eating 2 at a time with me 4 that time.
Oh, don't choke. There's no water, so hey.
Shit, run into the faucet.
He said no water, but he didn't say no liquor.
Yo, stop choking me.
Look.
Yo, what is that?
He drink. It's that hood drink. What? He doesn't know anything about that? That EJ Sprite?
I don't drink, so I don't know.
You know about the EJ Sprite. Tell them, fat boy.
I'm just dipping in every sauce right now. I don't care. Yo, we're about to have that.
What, you try that stuff right here, though?
Y'all about to constantly,
I don't got that one. You try that one?
We got two.
I don't got that one. Add that to the collection. I ain't got that one.
We got every sauce in the game right there. Yo!
Yo, it's hard as hell with no water, I swear to God.
I told you, we should got a bottle each.
Look.
Right now, my chest is nugget to nugget traffic right now.
I told you guys I had
The
less.
nuggets having a party right now.
God.
Yo, I feel like I'm about to die.
Heartburn.
Yo,
200 chicken nugget
I need help
challenge.
with this, yo. I need help.
Tell him.
That's crazy, right?
Traffic jam.
There's no water drinking, y'all. Until
No
you die.
water.
No water drinking. Ain't never seen Chris drink sauce.
Oh my God. Yo, JB almost done.
I never seen Chris drink sauce.
Georgie.
God, it's hot.
If you guys didn't watch that video, go watch it.
Why he laughing so hard?
That's why you couldn't drink
What's so
sauce.
funny?
Water,
I told you, one bottle.
Yo,
remember one time
Jet, I told you. Give me some of yours. Look, I had 26.
This one's a dog.
Hell no. Fall back.
Yo, Dad, fall back, bro. It's not the time yet.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Y'all thought it was that easy, huh?
Oh, you almost done.
Oh my god.
Yo, this might give it to a dog. You're not.
You're not.
Let me smell your butt.
But dog bark. Dog bark.
Yo, he's giving it to the dog.
You lying. No, I swear to God, he gonna try to watch it.
Ew! He got red as hell. He's about to explode. Yo, he's crying. Oh my gosh, bro. Now I feel like he's gonna finish first, and hey, no sinking water over here. He over here trying to reach the water case and shit. Nah.
What about that?
Oh, he got like 4 left.
I'm done, bro. Oh my god.
Oh shoot. Bro.
Oh.
I ain't doing that. I ain't killing myself with these numbers.
Look at him.
Burger King ain't paying me no money, so I had to pay money for this, and they ain't paying me no money for this. But I see me on the floor. Cardiac arrest for these nuggets.
Cardiac arrest for these nuggets.
See him? No, hell no.
He even chewed that.
So you got like 10.
I got 2 left, man. This shit just feeling like the hardest, bro. So we get down to the last week.
Yo, so what should we do to the loser?
To the loser.
The loser gotta drink out the dog bowl.
No, fish water.
It's between y'all two. It's between y'all two. Look, they done.
Nah, I'm not drinking fish water.
You don't have to. Look, you don't have to. Oh, take your time. Take your time.
You lost already.
Take your time.
Yo, watch your arm, bro. I'm trying.
It's over. I already won.
I'm second place, here we go.
So you must have tripped this time.
Last nugget, I'm done.
Oh my god. Yo, we still can drink water if we're done?
I look like the whole two
Oh, yeah, I got watermelon pack here. What you done? You bugging. I'm about to suffer because y'all eat this nugget.
Give me one. Yo, I need to do about the what?
Nasty sauce, bro. Look at that one.
I stepped on my dog.
And the nastiest sauce is this one.
Hey, no, I saw that.
Hey, no cheating, bro. Disqualify, bro.
Oh, you disqualified. You gotta drink the fish water, yeah?
Yeah, just for doing that.
Nah, just for doing that, you need like 3 extra. Nah, you know what, like 5 more.
Shit, out, bug.
100 likes, 100 more likes for him to drink this much of fish water.
I'm not about to kill myself for likes.
100 likes. Fat boy, tell him 100 likes.
100 likes for Evie right here.
To drink fish water.
5,000 likes for me to eat poop.
You see that fish water over there?
Yo, I just lost my appetite, bro.
There.
After what you just said, hell no.
Yo, and 5,000 so he can eat poop. He'll do it.
He ain't even edited the video yet. They already like
Nah,
it.
you have to do it. You have to do
I ain't
it.
doing that.
You have to do it.
I'll swallow up.
Yo, swallow what?
Yo, I'm just gonna have to drink the fish water. Not
Where the 2 shot glasses at, man? Where the 2 shot glasses at?
No, but hey, I get to drink regular water first. Cause I'm what? What the hell?
Nah, hell no.
I'm just gonna have to drink that fish water, yo.
Yo, beg a shot glass. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look,
Wait, now we have a special treat for him. It's not this one. It's that one.
What?
Oh no.
Oh, no, hell no. Hell no. What? This fish water look crazy. Hell no. I want this one. I want that one.
Now you got
Nah. Guys, look what they about to make me drink, yo. Fish water.
Hey, come here, spit on this.
Yo, I regret coming up with this, yo. My stupid ass came up with this idea, yo.
Oh, this shit stink
It's
too.
kind of oh my gosh, bro.
Smell it. You won't smell it. Here, smell it. Smell it.
Drink that.
Smell it. Oh,
Bro, if you smell this, bro, smell it.
That shit smell like a aquarium.
It smell like death, bro.
Turn around.
Yo, people in Africa drink worse water. Come on.
Drink it, bro.
He's having a breakdown.
I'm about to get half of the shot because this is too much.
But let me do the honors.
So half?
Nah, that's not.
Nah, I'm not half.
Don't even shoot
You trying to play
That's
us.
damn sure.
Nah.
Both of the glass right here, so you
Now let me and Fat Boy do the honors.
Matter of fact, we're gonna split this. What the fuck is that? That's not. There you go.
Yeah. That.
Wait, let's do the Spanish one. Let's do the Spanish one. Ready?
You have to drink it fast as hell.
Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro,
Pendejo.
pa dentro. Ready?
Pa dentro.
1, 2,
Gringo. Go, drink it. Oh, no, I eat it.
Oh my god. Now your breath smells like
Oh.
What? It tastes nasty in the mouth.
Tastes like fish.
Oh my god, bro. Yo. Guys, we just finished right now. It was a crazy ass challenge, man. It was crazy. Fat Boy still got this fake Gucci hat on, yo. He look like somebody's dad.
Gucci gang.
Nah, this is Fucci gang. Hell no. Yo, look at the birds out here, yo. They mad lit. Can you come with my finger up?
Yeah.
I'm scared he gonna bite me.
I got you.
That one trying to bite you, the white one.
The one was a hoe.
Yo, the duck, yo, he
Don't
got a
touch that
ball.
one, don't touch that one.
Why, he's
He
mean?
doesn't even bite, it's just that he'll fly.
What? I'ma slap him. Let him play with me. I'ma slap his ass
Get
one
up, my
time.
dude.
Oh shit.
I told you.
Oh, he's angry, yo. Yo. No, I'm sorry. Yo, this bird is crazy, yo.
What happened?
We're trying to attack us, yo. Yo, clean up and stop talking shit, bro. Clean up, bro. You gotta clean this whole place up. We already cleaned. We helped him clean up. We didn't let him clean by himself. So, yo, we lit for that, right? We helped you clean, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. That's right, bitch boy. Clean our house. Clean our house.
Watch your mouth.
Yo, after all this food y'all ate, y'all still buying food, yo. These guys is never gonna be full.
This is a drink.
The drink.
I don't need a drink. I'm full, but
Shit business, man.
We're fat, dude.
look at the wash. Look at the wash stuff. Look who we got over here. Why you running? My friend, why are you running? Why are you running, Carlos?
Why are you running?
Why are you running, Carlos?
Get that juice.
Yo, what's your handshake?
Probably booty as hell.
Oh.
What the heck is this? Oh my gosh, yo. Just stop it, bro. Just stop.
Yeah. Fat boy. Yeah, grab it.
You miss Fat Boy?
Yeah, we all get
Fat Boy and his kids, yo. You got Fat Boy and his kids out here.
You about to try to do that shit.
Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I'ma just let Carlos end this video. Yo, Carlos, end the video.
Tell them goodbye.
Tell him like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe, comment, and peace out.
But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.
Look at my watch, look at my watch, look at my watch, ayy. Look at my watch, look at my watch, look at my watch, ayy. Diamonds are froze, diamonds are froze, diamonds are froze, ayy, ayy. Look at the watch, can tell the time my diamonds frozen, ayy. All I do is add it up, you do the math, bitch. I'm really blowing up, I'm going up, whoa, whoa.